This is a very short class on ideas associated with diversification strategy. So we're going to talk just very briefly about diversification. Diversification efforts may be either internal or external. So external is looking to merge with other companies or to acquire the other companies. Internal growth, internal diversification, may be through developing new products, through innovation, through product modification, and may be based on market feedback, market research, or feedback from the marketing department about customer needs and customer requirements. So we can view diversification as being driven by two forces, essentially, internal and external. Now, the internal diversification occurs when a firm enters a different market, but usually a related market. Enters this different line of business by developing a new line of business itself. Now, what I mean by that is it simply means the business diversifies. It looks at its product range, it adds a new product, or it modifies existing products. And it does this, as I said earlier, based on perhaps market research or feedback from the marketing department, or looking at fashions and trends in the market, or it innovates the product. It innovates what it's doing. So it's looking to diversify its product range in that manner. Internal diversification frequently involves expanding a firm's product or market base. Usually businesses diversify by adding a new product. It's a way of minimizing risk. If they've got a successful product in the market, but they're looking to diversify because they wish to grow further, they don't kill the successful product and introduce a new one. That would be not good business practice. What they will do instead is keep the successful product and introduce a new one as well. It's an extra product. It may be based on the existing one, but it'll have modifications. It'll have different functionality. It'll have different appearance, or it'll be differentiated in some manner. But by and large, they will not kill off the successful product. That would be seen as counterproductive. External diversification may achieve the same result. However, the company enters a new area of business by purchasing another company or business unit. So it's a way of growing as well. So it may grow by having a research and development department internally, developing new products from scratch. Or alternatively, it may look outside the business, look at other companies that have already got products in the market and try to acquire those companies. In so doing, it's acquiring their products, it's acquiring all the effort that they've put in developing the products, the research and development, the marketing, the market information it's acquired. So by acquiring the company, it acquires everything. The alternative is to do it internally, starting from scratch, research and development, developing the product, testing the product, market testing the product, and so on. So there are two routes to take. One, internally, growing the business from research and development upwards, or alternatively, buying a company that already exists and acquiring its product range and starting from there. So it depends on which route the business considers to be most appropriate. There's no hard and fast rule governing the selection of which way. Mergers and acquisitions, however, are a common form of external diversification. So mergers and acquisitions are important and they're used extensively in business. Businesses are always looking at other businesses to see if they acquired that business, would it promote its own objectives? Would it diversify risk? Would it add to the balance sheet? Now, a lot of this material will be covered in other videos, so this is just a very brief discussion of the ideas behind diversification. Mergers and acquisitions, for example, is the subject matter of a separate video. Research and development, the whole idea of strategy and the development of strategy, and internal, external, and so on. All of these are the subject matters of other videos in the sequence, in this series I should say. So that's all I'm going to do on this topic. Please look at the other videos to get a fuller understanding of the issues. In the meantime, thank you for watching.